for a delicious curry goat and fried chicken Jamaican style Sunday dinner served with gungo rice. Look no further, just continue to watch this one. So here we have our goat meat already cut in smaller pieces, and we're going to wash this with vinegar and season. We're going to season this, add our fresh seasoning and our curry powder, and put this to marinate. So welcome back to the channel, guys. If it's the first time here, welcome as well. To my returning supporters, thank you guys so much for all the continued support. So, want to see how I finish this one? Just continue watching, guys. Enjoy the music, and I'll catch you further on in the video. Some oil in our Dutch pot and burn our curry or toast our curry. I'm using 2 types of curry because I'm not getting the better pack here, so I have to do with what I have. So I'm just going to toast this off a bit, separate the season from my goat meat and add to the pot, and we're going to stir that well, cover and allow it to sweat before we add any water. So, but if you are watching to this far and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Here you find some delicious Jamaican dishes and even some dishes from other countries. So, if that's what you're looking for, just continue watching and put your notification on so you won't miss another upload. So this is my quick gungo rice and peas video where we have some canned gungo peas and we have coconut milk. In this bowl we have scallion, thyme, add pepper, ginger, a bay leaf and pimento seed, and we're going to use some garlic powder, complete season, and a bit of salt, and we're just going to put that to our pot and add everything, add our season to taste, cover and allow it to boil for around 15 minutes. Let everything marinate together, then we can prepare the rice. So continue watching, guys, and I'll come back further on. Here we're in 15 minutes and we're going to add hot water. For the hot water, we're going to add it interval until the meat is cooked. So don't pour all the water to full the pot at once, just add it bit by bit until the meat is tender enough. and we did some fried plantain. A bit of that is also catch in the video, but yeah. And this is my rice. We're just going to fluff this up, test if we need to add a little bit more water, and if so that's the case, we add it, cover a pot, and allow it to steam. So off camera I start preparing some extra fresh season and some potatoes and carrot from my curry goat. So we just cut them in chunks like this and put that aside until the meat is ready. And we're going to add the season that we use to marinate the meat. We set that aside. We're also going to add that too as well. Okay, so just set this aside and wait until it's time to put it. We also add some pimento seed. I forgot to mention that. Yes. So here is our season. So we're just going to add everything to our meat. Our meat is completely cooked. So we're going to add everything. Add enough water to simmer so we can have a nice thick sauce. This is how your sauce supposed to be at the end, nice and thick. Yes. So now we're going to serve dinner, and I did the fried chicken off camera. We have videos of that. I did the fried chicken off camera, and this is my Sunday dinner, guys. Yes, nice settings. We have a small servings of goat meat. We have our chicken, plantain, our salad, and of course our gungo rice and peas. And this was dinner. Very delicious. So if you want to see more Sunday dinner, Jamaican style dinner, let me know in the comment section. So here we have come to the end of another video. I hope you did enjoy this one. So please like the video, share, save, and drop me a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment as well. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.